Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now today we are going to see the third topic. We already completed two topics. So this is the third topic, that is the squares and the square roots. So now let us see the part one of this one. So this is actually most of you know what is that square and square root. So now see here, still I have given you the definition. Somebody asked you what is the square of a number. So actually the square of a number, it is the product of the number with the number itself. So suppose the number is x, so square of x will be x into x, means this is the product of the number, and we can also write this as x square. So now if we take the example of it, suppose we take 5 square will be 5 into 5, that will be 25. So we can say square of 5 is 25. So now let us see with the exercise. Wherever possible, I'll give you the explanation. Now, using the prime factorization method, you have to find which of the following here the numbers are the perfect square. So now let us see for 441. So you know how to take the prime factors. Now we will take here 441. So the prime factors of this one will be, always the prime factors means you are going to start with 2. If not with 2, then you will see with 3. So this is not possible with 2 because we can see here this is 1 over here. So now let us see for 3. So 3 ones are 3. So 1 remains over here. So 3 fours are 12 and 3 sevens are 21. So again you will see here for this one. So this will be, again this goes with 3. 3 fours are 12 and 3 nines are 27. Now this is not possible with 3. So we will see now this is possible for 7. So we can write here 7 sevens are, and here that will be 7 ones are. So now here this is 1 at the last. So whatever we get here, these are the factors of 441. So what we can see here, 441. So we can write this one as 3 into 3, what we got the factors, into 7 into 7. So now we will see these are in pairs. So this will be 3 square and 7 square. So we can write, so this is a perfect square. Whenever this same number, this is in pairs. So now we will just consider here this pairs. So this is so we can say, we can also write if you want 3 square into 7 square. So this will be, also we can write this one, 3 sevens are 21 square. So we can write, therefore 441 is a perfect square. Now let us see for the next one, that is 576. So now let us take the factors of 576. So here 576. Now this goes with 2 because the last unit place is 6. So it will be 2. 2 2s are, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 144s are, 2 72s are, 2 36s are, 2 18s are, then 2 9s are. Then this is not possible with 2, then we'll go for 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So what we can see here, the factors are, now let us write all this one for 576. We can write here, these all are the factors. So how many times you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 times 2, and 3 2 times. So now can you see these are in pairs, and 3. So these are in pairs. So we can write here, we can also write here one step if you want, into 2 square into 2 square. So you can see they are in pairs. So now this will be how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. That will be 24 square. So we can say, therefore 576 is a perfect square. Now let us see the next one. 11025. So what we can see here, this is not possible with 2 because the last digit here is 5. So now let us see for 3. 3 3s are 9 and this will be 3 6 are 18 and then 3 7s are 21 and then here remains is 1, so 3 5s are 15. Again this will go with 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 2s are and 3 5s are. Now this is not possible with 3 because here we have 25 and here is 12. So we'll see, if you want you can just see roughly 1 2 2 5 with 3. 3 4s are 12 and this is not possible because this is 25. So we can go with 5. So here 5, 2s are, 4s are and this will be 5. Again this will go with 5. So now this is not possible with this any other number other than this one 7 because whenever you have 49 that will be. So these are the factors. So we can write here 11025. The factors are whatever you got here at the side. So this is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. So now this also you can see that is 3 square into 5 square into 7 square. They are in pairs. So now this you can write this as 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105 square. So we can say therefore 11025 is a perfect square. Now let us see for the next one, 1176. So this goes with 2. So 5, 8, 8. So this is going to be 2s are, 9s are and 4. So now again this goes with 2. Now this is 7 at the last, that units place, so it will go with 3. And this will go with 7. Sorry, this will be 7 over here. So now 1176, the factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. So now what you can see here, you can see this is a pair. So you can write here 2 square. Again, but 1 is single. So here we will write here 2. 3 is not in a pair. And again 7 is in a pair. So now we can see that we can say that therefore you can write here 1176 is not a perfect square because all are not in pairs. Now here the next one, 5625. So now you can see this here, this goes with 3, 8, this will be 7 and this will be 5. So now again this will go 3 6 are 18 and then 3 2s are and 3 5s are, but then this will go with 5 and not with 3. That will be 125 and this 5 will be 25 and 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So now you can see here 5625 will be 3 into 3 into 5 4 times. So this is going to be 3 square into 5 square into 5 square. So we can write here 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75, 75 square. So we can say therefore 5625 is a perfect square. Now the next one, 9075. So this is going to be, again this will go with 3. Here will be 0, 2 and 5. But then this will go with 5. Again this will go with 5. this will go with 11. 11 11s are 121 and 11 here ones are. So now what will you get here? 9075 is equal to 3 into 2 times 5 into 2 times 11. So what we can see, 3 is alone here. There is no pairing for this one. N square. So therefore we can say, therefore 9075 is not a perfect square. Now the next one. So this will go with not possibly 3. We can go with 5. 5 eights are 4 and this will be 5. Again this will go with 5. Now this will go with 13. 13 13s are 169. So you should know the perfect square of 1 is going to be so this is going to be 1. 2 is going to be 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square. This we have to learn all the perfect squares. So at least till 20 you should know it. So now this 13 13s, if you know the squares, so it is easy to solve. So now this is going to be 4, 2 to 5 is 5 into 5 into 13 into 13. That is going to be 5 square into 13 square. So 13 5s are, that is going to be 65 square. And therefore we can say 4, 2 to 5 is a perfect square. Now 1089. So now what will you do here? This will again go with 3, 6 and this 3. Again this will go with 3, 1 to 1. Again now you know this 1 to 1, this is 11 square is 11 ones are. So 1089 is 3 into 3, 2 times into 11 into 11. And this will be 3 square into 11 square. So that will be 33 square. So now this will be, we can say therefore 1089 is a perfect square. Now here, we'll see here, they said show that each of the following numbers is a perfect square. In each case, find a number whose square is the given number. So now we will we'll write here we'll do the factorization of this number. So what do we get here? This is not possible with 3. We'll go with 5. So 5 again here 49 and this will be 7 sevens are and 7 ones are. So here 125 is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 and that is 5 square into 7 square. So that will be 35 square. So we can say therefore 35 is the number whose square is, they said find the number whose square is the given number, whose square is 1225. So now let us see for this one, 2601. So this is going to be 3, it will go with 3, 7, then again this will go with 3, 2, then 8, and this will be 9. Then this is again 17 square is 289. So as I said, you should know the squares, so it is easier to solve the problems. So this will be 3 square into 17 square, and that is going to be, when you multiply this into this, that is going to be 3 17s are 51 square. So we can say therefore 51 is the number whose square is 2601. So this you can write it later. So I'm not going on keeping on going to write in each and every problem. So this sentence you can write it. So 5929. So here this will go with 3 is not possible. So we can do with 7. 7 8s are 56. So then here 4, and here will be again 7 7s are 49. So here will be 7. Again this will go with 7. So now this is 121 means 11 square. 11 11s are, and this will be 11 ones are. So this will be 59829 is going to 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. So this is going to be 7 square into 11 square. And when you multiply this into this is going to be 77 square. So as I said, you can write this sentence similar to this one. So you can say 77 is the number whose square is 5929. It should be similar to this one. So you can write that sentence over here therefore. Now here 7056. So now what will you do? You will start with 2. 5, then 2 and 8. So now here it will be 2 ones are 7, 6 and 4. 2. This will be 4, 4, 1. Now this is possible with 3. So this is again possible with 3. So now you will do this with 7. So now let us see the numbers. That will be 2 or 4 times, and 3 2 times, and 7 2 times. So we can write here 2 square because you are going to make the pairs. So you cannot write directly 2 raised to 4. We are going to make a pair. So this will be, now see how to do it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 7s are 84 square. So this will be 84 square. So you can write the same way. 84 is the number whose square is the same thing, same this pattern. There we should write it therefore. So now let us see the next one. They said, by what least number should the given number be multiplied to get a perfect square number? In each case, find the number square is the new number. So now we will see for this one. So this goes with 3. Again, this goes with, doesn't go with 3, then it goes with 5. This goes with 7. So we have 3675 will be, 3 is just 1 time, 5 2 times, and this will be here. So you can write here 3 into 5 square into 7 square. So now what did they say? In each case, find the number square is the new number. So now what are you going to do? The new number will be what? See here we can see this is just alone. This is not in pair. So we can write here the new number should be multiplied by 3. So to get a perfect square, this should be multiplied by 3 because this is alone. These are in pairs. So we can write here one sentence over here. Therefore, to get perfect square, new number should be multiplied by, or we can write the given number, sorry, not the new number, the given number should be multiplied by 3. So now Let us make some space over here. So new number is, we can, because we are multiplying this by 3, so it should be 3 square into 5 square into 7 square. So this will be, what will be here? 3, 5 and 7. 15, 15, 7 is 105. So that will be 105 square. So we can write here, therefore the number whose square is the new number is 105. So they have asked now, in each case find the number whose square is the new number. So hope that is clear. Everything is the same, only we have to see the pairs and we have to put that one. So that is going to be the new number. So here what will you do? This you are going to multiply this one. This goes with 2. Again this goes with 2. Now this is not possible with 2. With 3 again this is not possible. So now we have 9 means there are chances of get, let us see for 7. 7, yes, it goes with 7. 11 ones are. So 2, 1, 5, 6 is going to be 7 into 7 into 11. So now what we can see, these are in pairs. 2 and 7 are in pairs, but 11 is alone. So in order to get a new number, it should be, you can write it over here that in order to get a new number, it should be multiplied by 11. So it should be multiplied by 11. I'm just writing in short. So now what will you do there here? So new number will be 2 square into 7 square into 11 square. So now you have to multiply this one. 2 sevens are 14 and 14 11s are. So 14 11s are will be 154. So that will be 154 square. So therefore you will write number whose square is new number is 154. So here I will just do the this one. So now you know what to write. So I'll just do the prime factorization here. So now look at here, 3, 3, 3, 2. So that should be 2, 1, 6, 6, and this also will be 6. Again here will be 2, 8, 3, 3, but then this will not go with 3, then it should go with 7. So 7 ones are, yes, again this should go with 7, and this will be 17 ones are. So what we can see, that will be 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 17. So this should be 2 square into 7 square into just 17. So it should be multiplied by, the new number should be multiplied by 17. So that thing I'm not going to write it here. New number should be multiplied by 17. So what we can write here, directly I'll write it here. So 3, that is going to be, this will be 2 square into 7 square into 17 square. So this is going to be what? 7 twos are 14 and 14 17s are. So 14 17 the 7 fours are 68, and this is going to be 238. So this is going to be 238 square. So the new number is going to be 238. So you can write that one. The new number is going to be 238. So now here, let us see the next one. Because they are given many examples. The type is the same, the examples are given more. So here, This will go with 3. Again, this will go with 3. Now this should go with 5. Here again, sorry. This should be again 5. So now this will be 13. So 2925 will be 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. So this is going to be 3 square into 5 square into 13. So you can see 13 is not paired. So you can write in an order to get a new number. It should be multiplied by 13, because this is not in pair. So how will you write the next step? So that you have to write it. So that will be 3 square into 5 square into 13 square. So this is going to be, now you are going to multiply this one. 3 5s are 15 and 15 13s are. So 15 13s are 13 5s are 65, and this is going to be 13 plus 6, that is going to be 19. So this is going to be 195 square. So new number should be 195. So you can write here new number is 195. So you can do this problem and this problem, they are the same type. You can try, and this one. So they have given, again this you can do it. Well, you have to find the prime factors and you can try for this one. So now let us see the next one. By what least number should the given number be divided to get a perfect square number? In each case, find the number whose square is the new number. So now what will you do here? Again, we'll take the prime factors of this one. So this should be 525 with 3, 175, 535s are, and 5 7s are, and then again it will be 7 1s are. So 1575 is going to be 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. So this is going to be 3 square into 5 square into 7. So now again here, the new number should be here. What did they say? By which one it should be divided? There it was multiplied. So it should be divided by. Now see here, we have to remove this one. It should be divided by 7, because this is an extra number. That was there. It was so here this 7 is extra. So it should be divided by 7. So now what will you do? So we can write here new number. This one, the given number should be divided by 7. So now how will you write this one? So because if you divide that number by 7, so you just remains is 3 square into 5 square, and this is going to be what? 3 into 5, that is going to be 15 square. So we can write here, therefore, the number whose square is new number is equal to, what is that? 15. So now let us see. So we can do it on the next page, because, okay, so now we will do here 9075. So this is 3. This doesn't go with 3, then this will go with 5. Again, this will go with 5. Then this will go with 11. 11 11s are 121 and 11 1s are. So now 9075 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 11 into 11. So this is going to be 3 into 5 square. into 11 square. So now again this we have to divide by, because now can you see this is 3 is extra, that is not in pair. We have to divide by 3. So we have to divide by 3. So now what will you get here? So the new number is, because now you don't have to write 3 for that one, that will be 5 square into 11 square. And now this will be 11 5s are 55 square. So the number whose square is the new number, that is will be 55. Therefore number whose square is new number is equal to 55. Now let us see for this one, 4851. So this should be 1617, it will be with 3. Then 3 will be 3 5s are 3 and 9. Now this should go with 7 because this is not possible with 3. You can check it. So this will be again the and 11. So 4851 will be 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 11. So this will be 3 square into 7 square into just 11. So this should be divided by, because 11 is just, it's not in pair. So now what will you get here? Therefore new number is, so you are dividing means only these two numbers remain. So this is going to be, you are going to pair this one, multiply this one. So that is going to be 21 square. So here, therefore the number whose square is new number is equal to 21. So now let us see for this one. So this is going to be, this also goes with 2 again. Then this is not possible with 3. So let us go with 5 and 6, 9. And now this is the perfect square of 13. And 13 ones are. So this will be 3380. That will be. So now you can see the pairs. That will be 2 square. This 5 is alone. And this will be 3 square. So it should be divided by, just this sentence I'm writing in short. You can look at the previous what I have done. The full sentence you can write it, divided by 5. So here new number is equal to 2 square, because the 5 is alone. So we are divided it by 5. So now what will you get here? This is going to be 26. So this is going to be 26 square. So we can write here, therefore the number whose square is new number is equal to 26. Now let us see for this one. So let us take with 2. Again this will go with 2. This will go with 3. Now this is not possible with 375. Yeah, it is possible with 3. Yeah, then this will go with 5. So now this will be 5 3 times. So we can write this one as 2 square into, we can, because we have to pair it, and 1 5 is extra. So now what are we going to do? We are going to divide by, should be divided by 5. So this what remains is just 2 square into 3 square into 5 square. So now what will you write here? 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. That is going to be 30 square. So we can write here, therefore, the number whose square is new number is equal to 30. So now let us see for this one. These are the lot of practices given, many examples of the same type of given, but still I am doing it because you should not get stuck. So this will be again, this will be, then this will again go with 2. Now this will go with 3. So again this will go with 3. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and here it should be 3 1s are. So now how many 2s are here? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. 5 3s. So this you can write here, 2 square, you have to be going to pair it. So now let us see the pairs, this, and now this is alone. Again here this and 3 is alone. So you can see 2 numbers without a pair, so that are 2 and 3. So you will write here 2 square into 2 into 3 square into 3 square into 3. So here you can see 2 numbers without the pairs. So you can write here, it should be divided by, so this is different one. Two multiplied by 3, that will be 6. So now how will you write here? New number is equal to 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 3 square, because that 2 and 3 are gone. So here it is going to be, so what are you going to write here? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. So this whole thing is going to be 36 square. Or you can also write like this, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and then square it both ways, and then put 36 square. So now you can write here, therefore the number whose square is new number is equal to 36. So now let us see for this one. So this is going to be 2. Again this is going to be 2. Now this is going to be 3. 7, and this will be 5. So this again will be 245, and this will be 5. This is not possible with 3. So this is going to be 49, and here will be 7 7s and 7 1s. So now you can write this one, 8820 will be 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 5 into 7 times 2, that will be 2 square into 3 square. This 5 is alone, and here 7 square. So you are going to divide by, should be divided by 5, because 5 doesn't have a pair. should be divided by 5. So here how will you write this one? So new number is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 7 square. So that is going to be, you can write 2 into 3 into 7 square if you want here. 14 sevens are, that is, 6 sevens are, that is going to be 42 square. So now here you are going to write here, therefore the number whose square is new number is equal to 42. Again now let us do for this one. So this will go with 2. So now this will go with 3. Now this will go with 13. So now this will be 2s are 3. 3 is just alone here. 13 and 13 are 2. So you can see here 2 square into 2 into 3 into 13 square. So you can see two numbers are not in pairs. So we can write here. So it should be divided by 2 into 3. That is going to be 6. So now what will you write here? Therefore new number is 2 square into 13 square. That will be, you can also write here 2 into 13 in square, and that is going to be 26 square. So we can write here, therefore the number whose square is new number is equal to 26. So now the next problem they said, find the largest number of 2 digits which is a perfect square. So now what we can do here, find the largest number of 2 digits. So which are the largest number of 2 digits? So which is but actually it should be a perfect square. So we can think here, actually the first 3 digits means this is 100. So 100 is a perfect square. So the square root will be 10. So the number before 10 we have to see, which will be a perfect square. So we will write here, how to write it? We will write your first 3 digits, because here they have asked for the 2 digit, but we have to go in the backward way. So we know 9, this will be 81. Now see here 10 square, but that is a 3 digit number. So you can write here 10 square is 100. So before that will be possible is just 9 square. So 9 square is going to be 81. So we can write here, therefore largest number of 2 digits is 81, which is a perfect square. Now we have to see here, find the largest of 3 digits which is a perfect square. So now actually 3 digits, the largest 3 digit number is, which is a perfect square, will be 999. So now actually this is not a perfect square. So what we can see, from here this is not a perfect square, but we can see that 900 and, because here 999. So we will see here, suppose we are taking here 30, if you go backwards, see this number lies in between 30 and 40. So if we take 31, So 30 into 30 is 900. So if we are taking 31 into 31, this is going to be 961. And if you take 32 into 32, what do you get? 32 into 32, this is going to be 64, 6, and this will be 9. So this will be bigger. This is going to be a 4-digit number. So possibility of this one is just taking. So did you get it? So only 31 into 31. So you can also write, if you want, at 32 into 32. This is 1024. But now we want the largest 3-digit number, which is a perfect square. Therefore, 961 is largest. Three digits is the largest of three digits, right? Is the largest of 3 digits. That is a perfect square. 3 digits number, that is a perfect square. Hope you got this one. So you have to check what are the possibilities here. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.